Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to boost a post on Facebook. So let's go there. We're going to boost our other post. Now let's click on the program on the button and click on this your ad center. You see it, and you click on boost a post. So click on the boost a post and you're going to click on the post you wanted to boost. You can boost a reel here, and now let's say this one is average 26 engagement one. You can start a post. You've posted your first up. Let's boost this post now. You can just click on, you can say automatically get more messages so your people out. You can say get more views. You can say just click on boost now, and that is it. You have boost this post. It's very you can see. So now in our Facebook required a little amount of money if you want to boost your page, your post. That means you want to gain more audience and gain more engagement on your post, so you need to pay a little sum of money for your Facebook. So if you have the money already, you can just go to have an ad credit to claim all these ones, and you can just click on next and you have boost your post. So this is very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.